Okay, I personally think smart bands are overrated. They just cause a lot of nuisance and the accuracy might be questionable. This is the Honor Band 5. This band has completely changed my opinion on smart bands, and this is my full review after using it for more than 5 months. Hope you all like that intro. Now let's start with the design and build quality. Let's make this simple. This is a good quality band. This is made up of rubberized straps. Honor hasn't changed the design compared to Honor Band 4. Yes, Honor Band 4 and Honor Band 5 looks pretty similar. And Honor Band 5 offers three colors: the navy, pink and black. And the unit which I am using is the black one. I personally like dark colors. Dark colors just hide the dust falling on it. That's just my opinion. The straps which come with Honor Band 5 is made up of high quality silicone. Talking about the comfort on this band, I would say this is not really a comfortable band. Whenever you wear it on your wrist, this just hurts you a bit. That's because there's a sensor at the bottom of the band, and the sensor has a small bump. This bump creates some kind of disturbance while you wear it, and that's why I think this band is not really a comfortable one. Moving on to screen and display. This is a 0.95-inch AMOLED display which is awesome for this price. The colors are really accurate and the brightness is great. You can change the brightness depending upon the condition where you live. Okay, let me add up this point here only. This is a 100 mAh battery. If you're a person who is using it 24/7 like me, this band lasts for more than 10 days. Now talking about some features, Honor Band 5 provides you some awesome features which are not really available on other smart bands. There are features like tracking your oxygen or tracking your heartbeat, and you can use and tracking your footsteps, or you can use it in gym also while you do all those cyclings. You can use it there also. And there are a lot of features for that. You can choose any one of them and you can use it on your gym also. Now the question arises is the accuracy appropriate or not? Well, to be frank, it's not that appropriate. I tried to track my heartbeat in this band and with the another thing which all those doctors use, and it was not so appropriate, but it was really close. So I would say this band doesn't provide you accuracy at its point, but it's really close. And you can use this band while swimming also. Yes, this is an 50-meter water resistance band. Now all bands have one or the other disadvantage. I'm talking about some disadvantage in Honor Band 5. When I picked up this band from the box, I noticed that the charging in this band is completely different from MI Band 4 or 5. MI Band 4 or 5 has some removing, you can remove the part of a band and you can charge it directly. But this is not that kind. They have given you a cable where you have to plug it in the band and connect it into the adapter. And for starters, this is a pretty tough job because while connecting it, the cable might break or sometimes we can't connect it properly. It takes a lot of time. And second thing, what I noticed is that the charging of this band takes a lot of time. There might be a problem in my adapter which I'm charging also, but I think that the cable which they provided, that is pretty slow. So yeah, that is one advantage I felt in this band. So we are at the end of the video and this is the verdict of this whole band. Well, I'll be honest with you all, this is a good band in my opinion. I really like this band. I like this band because I have not used any other band than this. Like I have used MI Band 4 a lot, but still I can say compared to MI Band 4, this is awesome band. First thing why I say this is good is that it provides you some awesome features like all those oxygen tracking and heartbeat tracking. I know it's there on other bands also, but this band is somewhat, I felt the accuracy so it's pretty appropriate. So I feel this band is really good one. Second thing why I feel that this band is awesome one is because it provides you awesome screen. 0.95-inch AMOLED display is really awesome. For me, for this price, this band is awesome, I would say. Now, no hate towards this band, but this I somewhat think that this band is overpriced because 2500 is a lot. It provides at its point features, but still I think the price is lot. Now, if you all are thinking that this band is not good, I want to go for other bands, suggest me some good one. You can go for MI Band 5. MI Band 5 is pretty cheap than this band, and it also provides some good features. So that band is also good. This band is also good. So it depends upon you. Depends upon how much you're using it. This band might be perfect for you, or MI Band 5. You can get this band for over 2000 rupees in Amazon also, so you can grab it ASAP so that you'll get it for a less price. And I'll be dropping the links down below. It's not any affiliate link, so you can buy it directly from there. Now that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like the video and the intro, a sub would be really amazing. I'm trying to reach 70 subscribers by the end of the year, so if you do that, it would be really amazing. So that's it. Hope I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, this is Santosh and I'm signing up.
You got me running, got me running. Take it.